Well, hello, this is Mike Jacko with Minria with another Flip It Friday video tip for you guys today. And today I want to talk about some tips to quickly estimate repairs on stuff. Now, the one thing that people ask me all the time is, how do you figure out what the cost of a roof is when the challenge is actually measuring? Because you have to, roofs are bid by the square, which is 10 foot by 10 foot. So a small roof might have 15 square, a large roof might have 25 square. Okay, so the way I do it is I look at what the cost of the small roofs is, and for right now, a small roof is probably going to be around $4,000, $4,500. A larger roof is going to be around $8,000 to $9,000 on what I would consider to be a larger roof. So if I'm looking at a property and if it looks like a small roof, I'll just say, oh, it's $4,000, $4,500. If it looks like a large roof, I'll say it's about $9,000, estimate on the higher side. And if it's like a medium-sized roof, then I'll just pick someplace in between. And so, for example, I want to show you there's a couple properties right across the street that actually give us exactly what I'm talking about when it comes to sizes. So if you look at this house right here, the smaller one there behind the tree, that would be considered a small roof. So I would look at that one, I would say, oh, that's probably going to be about $4,000, $4,500. And then if there's a medium-sized one, and then that one there would be considered a large roof way off to the right over there. So that one's probably going to be more in the neighborhood of $9,000. But that one right in the middle there, I would call that a medium-sized roof. And so that one there, what I would do is I would take the difference between the 4,500 and the 9,000, and so you're talking about what, $5,000, $4,500. I would split the 5,000 in half, 2,500. So if I take 45 plus 25, that would put that medium-sized roof at about $6,000 to $7,000. So that's just a quick way for you guys to just get an estimate, because we don't need an exact number at this point. We just need a close approximation to what the value is going to be, so we don't have to waste a lot of time going up and measuring it or calling up contractors and getting bids on that. And then if we get an accepted offer on that property, then we would get the contractors to verify our numbers. And what you'll find is the numbers are going to be pretty close to what our just estimate is. It might be off by $1,000 one way or the other, but that should not be enough to kill the deal, so long as you're out there making enough of a spread and following the Mayo formula. There's going to be enough of a spread. But using the formulas that I teach and when I go speak at the RIAs, and I've got the estimating repair videos in the training session for the premium members as well. That process, getting to that number, when you experience it and do it enough times, you'll realize it works very well and the numbers are very accurate. So with that, hope it helps, and hope you guys get out there and make a lot of offers this week.